How is the real estate market in Scripps Ranch right now? Stick around for a few minutes and I will talk about what's going on. That's right, today we are bringing you a Scripps Ranch 92131 real estate market update. If you're new to this channel, please give us a like and subscribe. And if you'd like to talk about buying or selling real estate anywhere in San Diego County, Scripps Ranch, or any of the other zip codes that we talk about here on this channel, send us a message or give us a call. We are always happy to talk to you. And if you haven't seen your zip code on this channel in a while, drop it in the comments and we'll get it in there really quickly for you. With that, let's jump right into what's happening in Scripps Ranch. Looking at the big map here, we currently have 49 active properties in Scripps Ranch, 28 pending and 24 sold in the last 30 days. And it's interesting what we are seeing in San Diego County right now. We are seeing inventories flattening out or declining a bit and pending sales popping up. Some zip codes more than others. Scripps Ranch has popped up ever so slightly from what's sold in the last 30 days. And when we look at the zip code here, we can see that there are homes all over Scripps Ranch, condos, townhomes, detached homes that have sold in the last 30 days, and just a few more than that that are currently pending, and we'll be watching to see how many of those close, and about twice as many active properties. And that is pretty typical of what we're seeing in some of these higher than median priced zip codes. With that, let's go ahead and take a look at the InfoSparks chart to see how much higher than median price detached homes in Scripps Ranch are selling for. Now, going back to January of 2022, median price in Scripps Ranch was $1.3 million. And here we are today at $1.732 million. So that is some tremendous price growth. Although, as I always talk about, when you have just a handful of data points each month, it does tend to make a more jagged curve. The month back in June, we were at 1.6. And if you rewind back here to March, we were at 1.875, all the way up to 2.1 here. Those must have been some big ones in Stonebridge Estates or somewhere like that. And the month before that, we were at 1.6. So you get my point. We are up and down. But in general, there has been some decent price growth in Scripps Ranch over the last 3.5 years. Now, when we look at this indicator of buyer exuberance or market heat or whatever you want to call this, it's the list to sale price ratio, as you know from watching this channel. Scripps Ranch in spring of 2022, before interest rates jumped up, was selling at 113.1%. Now that's 13.1% on average over list price. And then all the way down to 89.9 by November of 2022. And that is the low mark for most zip codes in San Diego County regarding this metric. Buyers were not interested in paying full price for properties in November and October and September of 2022. And then things did start to come back as people found their footing in this new higher interest rate environment. And currently, Scripps Ranch is sitting at 96.8%, San Diego County at 97.5%, and that's not too shabby, really. And of course, these are the homes that are closing, not the ones that are sitting on the market. Speaking of market time, Scripps Ranch is currently at 23 days, and San Diego County at 36 days. So from list date to pending date, those are the averages right now. And that's what's happening in Scripps Ranch right now. If you like this content, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. We will be back to you with more great real estate information very soon, so stay tuned for that. Until then, have a great day, and we'll see you right back here.